Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix read-only to prevent accidental changes. This author has set this file to open as read-only. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. So I'm just going to show you exactly what this looks like. So if you're getting this error message here all the time, and you pretty much press edit anyway, but to fix this from popping up again, what we need to do is first we need to locate the file. So we need to navigate the file on your computer where it's saved. So in most cases, navigate to, I'm going to open up my file explorer, navigate to OneDrive, and now I'm going to scroll down and right click on that file. This is YouTube tutorial is YouTube 2. So we need to right click this file, and then from here we need to choose properties. So click onto properties, and then from here the properties box will appear. And now at the bottom of this page it says attributes here, and then where it says uncheck read only, so if it's read only we want to uncheck this. And we could also get into that advanced tab, so choose the settings you want for this folder. So file attributes, files ready for archiving, allow this file to have contents index in additional file properties, so we can keep them to the same, but make sure read only is turned off, and then click on apply and then OK to save your changes.